Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error the component store has been corrupted with the error code 0x80073712, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to try the DISM command. Copy this DISM command, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Paste this command here and hit enter to invoke the same. The next solution is to run the SFC Scan. Copy this command, return to the elevated command prompt window, paste it here and hit enter to invoke the SFC Scan. Basically, the solution is to restore missing and corrupt files to your system. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.